Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Wrike milestones for executive progress reporting, detailed guide step by step clearly. First, log into your Wrike account. Navigate to your project dashboard. Locate the project for which you want to configure milestones. Click on the project name to open the project details. In the project view, identify the timeline section. Select the Add Milestone option to create a new milestone. Enter a clear and descriptive name for your milestone. Set the due date for the milestone to establish a timeline. Optionally, add a brief description to provide context. Assign team members to the milestone to keep everyone informed. Use the priority setting to indicate the importance of the milestone. Save the milestone to add it to your project timeline. Repeat these steps for any additional milestones you want to create. Once all milestones are set, navigate to the Reports section in Wrike. Select Custom Report to start a new reporting template. Add the necessary fields, including milestone names and due dates. Adjust filters to focus on specific team members or time frames. Preview the report to ensure it meets your needs. Save the report with a clear title for easy access. Share the report with executives to provide insights on project progress. Schedule regular updates to keep the report current. Encourage feedback from executives to refine future reporting. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.